Welcome to techtravellershub. Today I am going to show you portable cart type stove, cover brand. Okay, price around 1000 Bangladeshi taka. Okay, let's unbox the stove. This is the user manual. Okay, and this is the stove inside a nice bag. Okay, these are the pot holders, and this is the stand. Nice. This is the key to increase or decrease the gas. Okay, this is the ignition switch, sparking switch, and this is the portable gas. Okay, China, made in China. It is around 180 to 200 taka BDT. This is how you can attach it with the stove. Okay, you are ready to use it now, ready to cook anything using the stove. It's really nice for campers or travelers. The build quality is really good and it's really compact. I like it. You can carry it with you without any hassle, and this is made of stainless steel, I think, and hope it will lasting long. Okay, this is not the way. You can keep it like this or you can rearrange it. Okay, this is how you can rearrange the pot holder. Okay, now the stands. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.